In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay Security Bank credit card bills using GCash. Whether you're settling the full statement or covering the minimum due, this walkthrough will guide you through the exact taps and fields so your payment goes through without a hitch. Before we start, make sure your GCash app is updated, your internet connection is stable, and your GCash wallet has enough balance to cover the amount you plan to pay. Having your Security Bank credit card on hand will also make this process faster. Begin by opening the GCash app. From the home screen, look for and tap Bills. This takes you to the section where you can pay a variety of billers directly from your wallet. On the Bills page, select the credit card category. This filters the list so you only see credit card billers and helps you find the right one more quickly. Scroll down the list and tap Security Bank. You'll be brought to the payment form for Security Bank credit cards. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct biller page before entering any details. Start by entering the amount you want to pay. Type it carefully and make sure it matches what you intend to settle, whether it's the total amount due or another amount you've decided on. Watch out for extra zeros or missing decimals to avoid overpaying or underpaying. Next, enter your Security Bank credit card number. This is typically the 16-digit number on the front of your card. Type it exactly as it appears, without spaces, and double-check for any transposed or missing digits. Accuracy here ensures your payment is posted to the correct account. Once the amount and card number fields are filled in, tap Next. You'll see a summary screen with all the details you've just entered. This is your chance to review everything one more time. Confirm that the biller is Security Bank, verify the credit card number, and make sure the amount is correct. If you see any fees or convenience charges displayed, take note of them here. When you're confident everything is accurate, tap Confirm. This submits your payment through GCash. Keep the app open until you see the confirmation message, which indicates your payment request was successfully sent. Processing and posting times can vary, so it may not reflect instantly on your credit card account, but you should see a confirmation within GCash once it's been initiated. That's the complete process. By following these steps carefully, you can pay your Security Bank credit card bill quickly and confidently using GCash.